Got a few more parts for my tarantula. Well, I decided to put a little bit more into this tarantula now that I'm very happy with the secure setup that I installed. Hopefully you saw that video I posted yesterday. Very good motor, very good combo. I like it a lot. And one thing I noticed whenever I was trying to change the BEC voltage for the servo, it wouldn't let me do it. It just stayed at 5.5 volts. So I don't know if it's just because that Traxxas servo, because it's like a 2.0, 2.5 kilogram. And I bought this Hobby Park 7.5 kilogram. It also says programmable. So I'm actually going to install it and see if I can get it to change voltage, if I can up the voltage on this one. And came with a servo mount with the steering link too. It's actually extra added weight, so I think this thing's a little bit, I think it's a little too light, so I'm going to add a little more weight to it, along with these Klingon tires and the super soft inserts. That's going to add a little more weight also, so I'm going to add these. I think these will look pretty aggressive on here. Well, cool. So let me start getting stuff swapped out, and then we'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Well, just for comparison, so here's my old setup in Jor S5 pin tires and just regular foams, and it's 24 grams. And this one's the Klingons with the super soft silicones in them, and it's 42 grams. So I'm gaining a little bit of weight, which I think that's what this thing, I think it's just a little too light for what it is. It's just a little tall, a little top heavy too, I think. But that should help it out a lot. That look a lot meaner too. Alright, let me get those finished up and get started on the servo.
12 seconds later.
And I wanted to do a weight comparison on the old servo mount and the steering link. So that's all a total of 15 grams. And then the new servo mount, and the new steering link, 40 grams. So that's going to give me some more front end weight. So I think it should help it a lot. So let me get back at it.
Much later.
Got it on the scales now. So yeah, definitely gained some weight. And I'm happy with that weight. And I'll post a picture of the before weight from yesterday's video. That gave me a little bit more front end weight. I could have had more, but the metal servo mount that came with the kit wouldn't work because it was just too thick and it kept rubbing all the bars inside the tarantula, so I couldn't get it to articulate, so I had to use the original Traxxas servo mount. But it's all working fine. This servo definitely seems stronger. And so this is 7.5 kilograms compared to the Traxxas 2 to 2.5 kilograms. But now I want to hook up this Wi-Fi module, see if I can change the BEC on it, the BEC voltage. So let's get that connected and we'll try that out. Alright, I'm in. So let's see if we can change the BEC voltage on the servo. Let's go to 7.4. No, still doesn't let you do it. 7.4. Save. No. Well, either way, I got a stronger servo out of it for this little crawler. Either way, I still got a cool crawler. I got a really good setup now. I'm very happy with this. I just need to actually take it back off the rocks, same place I was at in yesterday's video. A couple areas I want to try out that this had a couple little struggles with, not a lot. But I can make a good setup now. So anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.